Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
This guy can't drive. Someone did that's still speeding. Gotta go though, you can't just stop. Otherwise pull over. Dude, what are you doing? You guys see this? Holy shit. This guy's playing with the devil. Oh my god. This dude's ready to die. Is this guy gonna be the victim? Each person he keeps getting closer to. He's in the middle of the road again. Oh, Jesus. Oh! You f***ed up. Oh! She drunk. Ma'am, you drinking? You drinking? I got you on video. You almost hit about 6 cars on that hill. You drinking? And I saw you wreck. Are you drinking? Are you drinking? I'm not helping if you're drunk. Are you drinking?
No.
Okay, well, you're driving very impairedly. What do you need help with?
The front window has ice on it.
Oh, geez, that is bad. Do you have a scraper? Here, I got you. I didn't realize that was your I really thought you were drinking. I'm sorry. And I'm sorry. I did not mean to come off rude. I've seen some drunk drivers do some dumb things. I'm glad you're not drinking. That's all I'm happy about. De-thaw for a little. Oh, no. Yeah. Don't worry. Hey, I just put it toward the tire. Make sure everything's good.
But does the tire look okay?
It looks okay. God bless you.
Are you sure?
Don't worry. You have a good one. God bless, man. I'm just glad you're okay. Stay safe.
That's crazy. Whoa. What the hell? We're literally in a roundabout.
Get out the way.
What the hell? It's a roundabout, like you said.
I didn't even do anything.
Whoa! Jesus Christ.
That's just the TAA, the temporal anti-aliasing that's in the game. I would think this would put a little bit of GPU overhead on your system, so I think the latency is going to outweigh that issue. Now, negative.
Jesus.
It's been the greatest opening, almost 3 weeks, in the history of the presidency. Definitely the fastest and the most stuff. Well, we've done so much so fast, and we really have to say, really, what they've done to our country is so sad. It's so sad.
Los luces. Yep.
Oh my God.
Damn.
Conversation with the story. All your friends say shit.
Who's at fault here?
It's that car with the purple lights on it ran the red light.
No, I don't know. That part didn't make sense to me.
Maybe they couldn't afford both of them. You know, this is a lot of money to be laying out for.
Oh, I mean, you gotta be kidding me, dude.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.